Ghana presently consumes about 1.4 million tons of rice annually, with just half of the amount produced locally. This translates into a huge import bill with serious consequences for the stability of the macroeconomy. To bridge the gap between local production and importation, there is the need to advance science and research towards the production of new and improved crop varieties. This was the highlight of the opening of a training workshop for plant breeders and biotechnologists from West and East Africa and India at Fomuswa near Ejisu in the Ashanti region.
Science and research have over the years contributed significantly to addressing challenges associated with food production in Africa, particularly Ghana. The Crops Research Institute, CRI, which is the largest of the 13 research institutes under the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR, has been the lead agency in research into new and better crop varieties in Ghana, with its research scientists at the forefront of the breeding of horticultural crops and different varieties of cereals and grains, such as maize, rice and cowpea, and also potato and cassava, as well as vegetables and fruits. However, with the advancement in technology, coupled with matters of climate change and global food insecurity, the Crops Research Institute is working harder to improve the competencies and professional skills of its research scientists to propel Ghana's food security agenda. It is for this reason that the Institute, in partnership with other relevant entities in and outside Ghana, organized the workshop at Fomuswa to enhance the capacity of plant breeders. The program involves an exhibition and visits to rice fields under research at Fomuswa. Dr. Sanjay Katija is the coordinator of ABI Transform from South Asia.
To tackle this global climate change, we need the varieties very fast, and therefore we are bound to use the technologies. And national partners need to adopt the new technology, and we are here to teach them what are the things available and how it can be implemented in the national program, so that this is good for the national food security as well as the global food security.
The Deputy Director of the Crops Research Institute, Dr. Maxwell Ashanti, himself a rice breeder, said for Ghana to bridge the gap between rice consumption and production, government must dedicate a percentage of our GDP to funding science and research into improved crop varieties for commercial production.
At the national level, there must be some amount dedicated to research and agricultural research. The national agricultural research that they have set up, but it has not been operationalized. So I'll use this opportunity to tell the government to operationalize the National Research Fund and also dedicate money to agricultural research.